What's going on, everybody? It's been a little while. Been super busy. Our company's growing massively over this spring-summer season. But anyways, we just finished up a mulch job. Interesting thing about that is it's our latest in the season we've ever done a mulch job. I mean, it's November 26th. Normally by then in Muskoka we have about a foot on the ground. We did experience 1 or 2 snowstorms already and a couple salting events. But just so happened that we got a melt off and we were able to get a couple days. And our client was very eager to have the mulch put in, try and protect some of their new plants that they planted this fall from our terrible frost. Terrible. But yeah, the mulch gives it a little bit of insulation. One last thing we got to do in the spring as well. Interesting thing though, we have a little different technique of moving mulch than most people. I've seen pitchforks, I've seen shovels, like metal round nose shovels. I've seen people try and use square nose. What we do is, we're up here in Canada, so why not get us another use out of your snow shovels and use them for mulch. It seems to work well with mulch and triple mix, as long as the triple mix doesn't have too much clay base in it. Yeah, it seemed to sped the process up. as you can see, completely solo doing this. The dump trailer being able to go around the entire garden obviously saves us a lot of time, or me a lot of time anyways, and backbreaking work, because I can shovel it directly from the trailer to the garden without any wheelbarrows or buckets or anything like that. So that was a bonus. But my question to you guys is, what's your go-to way of moving mulch? Especially if you can't get equipment to it, i.e. bobcat or mini skid loader or anything like that. Yeah, what's your go-to way of moving mulch? And also, if you're in Canada, what is the latest you've laid mulch? Now, we're about 2 hours north of Toronto in Muskoka, Ontario. But we're right in a snow belt, so I mean, we can kind of expect snow from November 15th on. And we normally get started, well, our snow contracts go till April 15th, so what does that tell you? So we're gonna do a little speed through of just laying the mulch. You can see that we already got about 3 yards in before I started filming. Yeah, so we're just gonna speed through and you can watch us laying mulch. So we've been trying out this GoPro. I just got it. So we're gonna try and give you guys a couple different angles, maybe even multiple camera shots like you see here. Now the only thing to do is clean up. We'll use our BR800 with the side start, which is super nice. As you'll see near the end of this, I just noticed I missed some mulch, so I went back and blew it off, and didn't have to put down the blower to restart it with the side start, and I was able to keep holding my camera at the same time. All done. All right, so we got all that mulch in, including the first 3 yards, in about 2 hours. The only bad thing about this job is that it's a little ways away to get our material, so it ended up taking us about a half day to get everything done, which isn't too bad. Still made good money. That's what we try and do, make decent money, but be fair to our customers at the same time. And we find we get a lot of word of mouth referrals that way, which is a huge bonus. As you know, when you get a referral, it's almost like the person referring you is guaranteeing your work. They're saying, hey, this guy's good, and you end up not having to price so tightly or compete as much. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe if you did. We're going to have a lot more content, especially with the new GoPro. We're into plowing season, so that's going to be the last kind of spring, summer, fall work you're going to see from us for a little while, but we're going to have some plowing videos in and out of the truck. We plow commercial and residential. We also snow blow and do walkways. We also salt a couple properties. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe and come along for the ride. All right, everyone take care, and we'll talk to you later. Hit that subscribe.